You've been saying very tired your whole life. And honestly, it's not wrong. But here's the thing. Native English speakers almost never say it. There's a reason. And once you hear it, you'll never forget it. Stay with me today because I'm going to give you 5 powerful words that replace very tired forever. Plus, 1 memory trick that makes them stick. Let me ask you something. When you're really truly tired, after a long day, after a hard week, after barely sleeping, do you feel very tired? No. You feel like you could collapse. You feel like your body is made of concrete. You feel like someone pulled the plug on your soul. Very tired doesn't capture that. It never did. Here's the secret. Native English speakers don't use very much at all. It sounds flat. It sounds like a word you learned from page 40 of a textbook. Real English uses what language teachers call amplifiers. Words that already carry the intensity inside them. Words that do the heavy lifting so very doesn't have to. Think about it this way. If tired is a candle, very tired is just 2 candles. Fine. Okay. Yeah. Boring. But the words I'm about to teach you, they're a bonfire. Let's go through them one by one. Say each one out loud as we go. That's important. Your mouth needs to practice, not just your ears. Word 1, exhausted. I am exhausted. Say it. Exhausted. Feel how that word moves? It almost sounds like a long breath going out. That's not an accident. The word itself feels heavy. I'm exhausted after that meeting. She looked exhausted when she finally got home. This is the most common replacement for very tired in everyday English. If you remember nothing else today, remember exhausted. Word drained. I feel completely drained. Drained means your energy was taken from you, like water going down a sink. It's gone. There's nothing left. This word is especially good after emotional situations. A difficult conversation. A stressful day. A fight with someone you love. That phone call with my boss left me totally drained. You feel that? It tells a story. Very tired tells nothing. Word 3. 發out. 2 words, but they work together like one punch. I'm wiped out. This one is casual, friendly. You'd say it to a colleague, a friend, your partner. I ran 10 kilometers this morning. I'm absolutely wiped out. The kids were wild today. I'm wiped out. It has energy, which is funny because it describes having no energy at all. That's what makes it memorable. Word 4, worn out. Similar to wiped out. But worn out carries a slightly older, deeper feeling. Like something that has been used for a long time. A worn out shoe, a worn out engine, a worn out person. I've been working 7 days straight. I'm completely worn out. You can almost see that person, can't you? Slumped in a chair. Eyes half closed. Worn out. What they want spend. This one surprises people. Spend. Like money. Exactly like money. When money is spent, it's gone. You can't get it back. When your energy is spent, same thing. Gone. 0 left in the account. After the marathon, I was absolutely spent. Don't ask me to think right now. I'm spent. It's short, it's sharp, and it sounds incredibly natural coming out of a native speaker's mouth. Now I promised you a trick. Here it is. Think of these 5 words as a story. One single day from morning to night. You wake up already exhausted. You barely slept. By lunchtime, you feel drained. Too many emails. Too many people. By 3 o'clock, you are wiped out. The afternoon meeting finished you. You get home worn out. Your body aches. Your feet hurt. And by 9 p.m., you're completely spent. You fall onto the couch, and you don't move. Exhausted. Drained. Wiped out, worn out. Spent. One bad day. 5 perfect words. You'll never forget them. Here is your challenge for this week. Every time you want to say very tired, stop. Choose one of the 5 words instead. Just 1 week. That's all I'm asking. And write your sentences in the comments below. I read every single one. I will reply. Show me your sentence. Let's practice together. Today, you learned 5 words that native English speakers use instead of very tired, exhausted, drained, wiped out, worn out, spent. And you learned why very makes your English sound like a textbook when you want it to sound like a human. Next episode, we're doing the same thing for very happy, and I promise you, at least 2 of those words are going to completely surprise you. You don't want to miss it. If this helped you today, subscribe. Because every week we do exactly this. One small change, natural English. Real results. I'll see you in the next one.